Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video we will see more concepts in Python. So let's get start the video. In the previous video we have done with data types, right? Data types we have done with. In this video we will see the numbers, okay? So in Python there are three numeric types in, right? There is int, float, complex. So basically we use both two from above, int and float. So here x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2.8 and z is equals to 1j, right? So it's an integer type value, it's a floating type value. Floating means decimal value, and it's a complex value, right? Which contain both numbers and characters. So to verify the type of any object in the Python, use type. If we want to verify the type, right? Like what is the type of this variable, what is the type of this variable, so we use type as a function. Okay, so here we have done uh, like print type x, which is integer type. This will give float and this will give complex. Okay, so int or integer, okay, is a whole number, positive or negative without decimal, of unlimited length. Here x equals to 1, y is equals to this, and z is equals to this. So these all are int data type. Float or floating point number is a number of positive, negative containing one or more decimals. Okay, so these are floating values. Float can also be scientifically numbers with e to indicate the power of 10. Okay, here like this, x is equals to 35e3, 12e4. So see, e to indicate the power of 10, it's indicate the power of 10. Okay, next we have complex. So complex numbers are written with a j as an imaginary part. Okay, complex, we have learned the complex numbers, right, in 10th standard or 9th standard. Complex number, so this is a complex number which contain numeric value with character, which is j as imaginary part. Okay, so it's a type conversion. We can convert the type. Let's say x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2.8 and z is equals to complex value, which is 1j. So a is equals to float of x, b is equals to int y, c is equals to complex. Okay, if we want to convert these all numbers, because it's an integer type and I want to convert it into floating value, so I can assign the variable, and inside that variable I put this value as float. Okay, and same for this, it's a floating value, so I can assign this as integer value, and same for this. Okay, let's do this. If we want to do this, so we can check it in our code as well. So we have new p, yeah, so we'll paste the code here, and this is a int value, this is float value, and this is complex value, right? So what I want to convert it into different data type. Let's suppose this int value I want to convert it into float, right? So firstly I will create some variable. So a is equals to, I want in float, so float x. Okay, now if I run this code, python, sorry, so we have to print this a. Now a, and I want the type. Okay, sorry, not like this, type of A I want. Okay, now if I run this file, python 3 first.py, and see, now it says float. Initially it's a integer value, integer type value. Now it's floating value because we have convert this value into float. Same we can do this with this float value. Let's suppose b is equals to int y. Okay, and I want to print let's say type of b, right? And yeah, we'll run this command again, and let's see what's coming. See, it's coming integer type, right? For b, initially it's float, now it is an integer value, right? So this is the conversion basically. For random numbers, Python does not have a random function to make a random number, but Python has a built-in module random that can be used to make a random numbers. Okay, it will give random numbers from 1 to 10, like in between these. So we can do this like next we have Python casting. Okay, there may be times when you want to specify a type of variable. This can be done with casting. So Python is the object oriented language, and it uses the classes to define the data type and including the primitive type. So we have integer, floating and string, right? So x will be 1, y will be 2, and this will be 3. So for example, x is equals to float this, y is equals to float this, and z is equals to float this. So we've convert this, like we've made the conversion basically into the float. Okay, we have defined already here, it's an integer value. Okay, yeah, so next we have strings. So in Python, string is in Pythons are surrounding by either single quoted mark or double quoted. Okay, let's suppose we have written hello. So hello in single quote, or this both are same, right? Either it is in single quote or double quote, both are same, right? You can display a string literals with print function, right? So this is the code for that. And quotes inside quotes, right? You can use quotes inside quote a string. Let's suppose if I want to see this Johnny in single quotes, so how do I do this? In double quotes, inside we use single quotes, so we can use it like this, right? Let's suppose if I want to print this, so how we can perform it? Now command save and python 3, right? See, it's a all right. So we if we want like single quotes or double quotes inside the double quote or single quote, we use it like this. Inside double quote we use single quote. Okay, and we have this assign a string to a variable. We have already covered this. Multi-line strings, right? String are arrays. Like many other popular programming language, strings in Python array of Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access the elements of a string. Okay, let's suppose a is equals to hello world. Okay, and inside this hello world we have separated with comma. Okay, so it's a string basically, and this is a sign indexing. What is indexing? Let's learn it here. uh, let's suppose, yeah, let's suppose we've assigned a is equals to hello comma world, right? So what is indexing? Indexing basically give the like numbering. Okay, so hello is it is in 0th index, and world is it in 1 index, right? And we want to print a square brackets 1, which means we want the value of 1 index, which is world. Okay, let's see it's coming or not. Okay, we have not saved it. Now we'll check it. Yeah, E. Okay, so like this is it. Sorry, it's not like this. It's like for indexing we have 0. At 0 index we have H, 1 index at we have E, with then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as like this. Okay, so we have indexing in Python. So we perform indexing like this. So at 1 index we have E, right? At 0 index we have H, at 1 index we have E. Okay, next we have looping through a string. So we will cover this later. Now we have string length. To get the length of a string, if we want to find the length, so how we can do this? So we use print a, or we can say length of a, length of a, right? 13, it says 13 is the length, right? So we have 13 characters. We'll count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Here we have 2 like comma and this is space. Okay, and next we have check string. To check if a certain phrase or a character is present in a string, we can use keyword in. Okay, text. I want to check this free is available inside this string or not, right? For checking this we use in. Okay, let's find it. Let's say I'm typing something else. Let's say text is equals to so my name is Diksha Jain and I am Diksha. Okay, so now I want to print let's say, what's the syntax? Yeah, what I want to find if Jen is available or not inside this. So I will use in, right? And where I want to find this inside this text here. Now we'll run the command. See, it says true, means it's available this inside this string. So Jen is available inside this string. Let's suppose if I give some random things like Sakshi, I will check this available or not. Let's suppose, yeah, it's giving false. Okay, so we can check it like this, like this particular thing is available inside it, inside this or not. We can check by using in. Okay, next we have if statement. I will do this letter. Now we have slicing. Okay, so what slicing do? You can return a range of a character by using the slice syntax. Specify the starting index and ending index separated by the colon to return a part of a string. Yeah, it gives the subset of a string basically. Like here we have written the hello world, and what I want the like subset of this string. I want from 0th index till 5th index, right? From like in this b variable, I want from 2, like 1 0 1 2, like from here, from this L, because like this indexing, like initial index will be available, like this will be included. Okay, so it will take this 2 3 4 5, so this will give value LLO in this case. Let's check it. Okay, yeah, let's check it. See, it's giving LLO. Second index is like included, fifth index is excluded. It's not taking this, it's just taking a specific thing from till 2 to O. Okay, so it's a subset of this whole string. Okay, next we have slice from the start. Okay, yeah, if I assign this value to B, or let's suppose if I forgot to give a starting index, okay, so it will automatically assume that we have to taken it from 0th index, right? So it will take from 0th index till 5th index, which is excluded, so it will take hello full. Let's save it and we'll check it. See, it's taking automatically. And same for this, if I exclude this, and it will take from 2 to ending index, which is here, so it will start from 0 1 2, it will start from L and ending till sorry, D, right? So let's run the code here as well. See, right? Slice to end we have already covered. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means starting from here, not here. Whenever we start from here, like indexing starts from 0, and whenever we start from here, indexing starts with -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I hope you got the idea. For next video we will cover these all topics. Till then you can learn Python from my another video as well. If you have any doubt, you can comment me below. I'll take it and I'll reply it. Okay, so yes, bye bye, take care.